Welcome back. I'm Ashley, and on this channel we're on a lifestyle change journey. And in case you guys did not know, I have type 2 diabetes, insomnia, and sleep apnea, and I'm on a journey to heal all three. So if you guys would like to come on this journey with me, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell to receive more content such as this. But today we're making spicy shrimp taco, okay? Part of that lifestyle change journey, we're going to be slowly but surely incorporating more vegetables and more fruits in our diets, starting with our favorite dishes. And one of my favorite dishes is spicy shrimp tacos. So if you guys want to learn how to make this simple and quick delicioso recipe, come on in and I'll show you how. Delicioso! Ashmaari's, give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment down below to let me know how you all enjoyed this recipe. You can adjust the spices however you like, and I topped my taco with a bunch of lettuce, pico de gallo, and sliced avocado. But until next time, bye!